তিনি 18 আগস্ট 2022 সাব ডিভিশনাল লেভেল बोर्डिंग हाउस कमिटिनि अंगै उदयपुर साब डिविशन बिसिंग खबजा स्कुलनि बोर्डिंग रग्न काहाम हामया चेरी नाइजाखा आरो बिसिंग तंग डन बस्को स्कुल गोरिया एकाडेमी सेंट जन स्कुल ते कल्याण आश्रमनि बोर्डिंग रग Beraiwi Naikha Sub Divisional Level Boarding House ni President Mdc Samrat Jamatia Boni Logyo Tongo Vice President Rokno Jamatia Te Bahaino Tongo Committee ni Mungganang Adama
Officials of how much they have?
You have 300 capacity. Boarding house in the capacity. And at present you have 230. Yes, 230. What is the breakup?
Because the difference is that some students, few students, out of 300, 173 were boys and 127 were girls from the month of April to May. From the month of April to May,
No, it's okay.
they were there, but the candidates, they have left. 39 students they have left.
230 breakup.
At present you have 230 products.
Yes.
How many boys?
How many boys are there? Among 230.
Boys are 155.
Hey, not problem.
Boys are 155 and girls are 106.
What?
106.
106.
Yes.
There,
Yes, there are few students, those who still could not produce their income certificate because of that they could not upload their in the Google form. And now class 11 they are already arrived in the hostel, but we are on the process of
income certificate below 2.5.
yes.
Apart to 2.5 we are not allowed.
Yeah, that's why to some of the students we have already stopped because their income certificate is more than 2.5.
Most of the students are maybe their parents are government employee. Most of the students.
Yeah, majority are
Usually they want to stay outside only. They don't stay outside. There are, but they will be outside. Like that also.
Now there is a criteria. This criteria is given by the stakeholder. That 2.5 above 2.5 lakhs, those students their income not sitting in the hostel.
Right.
per annum how much?
Yearly 2.5 lakhs. Today, how many students are there?
Today, out of boys,
Out of 300, 230, how many students are present?
today all are present. Out of 230 students, 6 students they went out for physical purpose, and then
Physical purpose, what
means a physical problem.
Now we have our doctors in our team. If you have any physical issue, your medical issue, you can share with them. We have a doctor.
Actually, the common problem is skin disease. The common problem is skin disease.
Skin disease from water.
No, I should say that because it's small children, they have the habit of exchanging t-shirts, exchanging long pants. Because of that, maybe because there are too many students, so it can be the cause also.
Maybe due to water.
As per our knowledge, through
Water is good, sir. Recently that Amrit Company or something they came and checked.
Jal Jeevan Mission.
Yeah. They came and they had camp. This is what is
Maximum skin disease are from water though.
submersible. We have submersible. Yeah.
Right. Out of 230, today present.
boys side 100. Because boys warden and girls warden are separate, so for that reason.
The boys are present.
Boys out of 155, around 135 They are present, and few students we have sent them for scholarship purpose. ST, they need ST, so that's why they are.
Yeah, I know.
Then yesterday they
Saying
said,
about this proposal going on NSP portal. Hey, 155 to total to 158, 130, 25 absent boys. Girls,
Girls 6%. 6% they went for because of fever and
and
some.
you just tell me the exact number.
One out of 106,
106.
6% they went home. Is out of
100 is 100 present.
100 present.
no, 99. 99 present out of 106. 99
That
present
means
and
7 is absent.
7 out of.
Number 7 is.
7 number borders are absent now.
Yes.
So 25, 7, 32 are absent total today. ছবি তুলছো নি প্রদীপ্ত?